Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Adrian Valdez. I'm a realtor here in West Michigan. Today we're at 3392 Whitehall Road, a great commercial property, 5-unit, could possibly be 1 commercial unit rental here. Each unit has 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. You can average anywhere between $850 to $1250 a month per unit. Current asking price is $540,000. You're right across the street from the Full Moon Saloon. Today I'm here with Van Dyke Mortgage. We're doing a property tour here for this commercial 5-unit listed by Sherry with Pinnacle Realty. It's a great location. You're just between Laketon, North Muskegon area, and Whitehall. Down the road from Michigan Adventures if you really like to take the kids out, or just, it's a great investment opportunity. All right, well, that's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe. Please reach out to me or Van Dyke Mortgage if you have any questions, looking to buy, sell, invest in real estate. We'd love to help you out, and I'll catch you guys next time.